Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about my strategy. I had somebody join the Discord. My Discord is in the description, by the way. I had someone join the Discord, and then one of my viewers asked me to make a video on my strategy. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Alright, let's just get straight into it. I know I said I was going to start with a Bible verse before every single video, so let's do it. Alright, this one, verse of the day, from Matthew 16:24 NLT. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "If any of you wants to be my follower, you must you must give up your own way, take up your cross, and follow me." I don't know, I was stuttering so much. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "If any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross, and follow me." Now, for me, that means that you should put everything to the side and put God first before everything. Take up your cross each day, put Jesus first, and he will guide you on the right path. All right. Now, getting into the strategy. All right. That's a good way to start every video, you know. Okay, getting into the strategy. This is the first thing I got written down right now, but for my strategy, all right, it consists of mainly finding high time frame liquidity sweeps or high time frame imbalances. All right, because on the high time frame, at market open, every single market open, price wants to manipulate in a certain way to the upside or the downside, doesn't matter. But before it does that, price needs to fill orders, and in order for price to fill orders, it has to sweep liquidity on the high time frame or sweep liquidity on the sweep liquidity on the high time frame or draw to imbalances or high time frame for value gaps. If that makes sense. Um, so what I wrote down so far is to find daily bias with equilibrium, imbalances, or liquidity sweeps on the high time frame. Price always wants to seek out the closest draw on liquidity or imbalances, right? So right at market open, price always, and I mean always, wants to draw towards imbalances or liquidity. And this consists of on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. All right. This strategy, let me write this down. 4 hour and 1 hour. 4 hour is your main bias. Hope that makes sense. All right. So listen, higher time frame holds higher power, and if the 4 hour has a liquidity sweep on the high time frame, if 4 hour has a liquidity sweep or draws into an imbalance and you see rejection out of it, just know that is, a huge confirmation for you to look for a trade. Hope that makes sense. All right, because 4 hour can be in an uptrend and the 1 hour can be in a downtrend, but it would always be better to look for longs if the 4 hour is in an uptrend, even if the 1 hour is in a downtrend. If the 4 hour is in a downtrend and the 1 hour is in an uptrend, it would still be fine to take shorts. All right. So basically, it depends on where. It depends on It depends if the 4 hour is in line with your 1 hour. All right. So if your 4 hour and your 1 hour are both in an uptrend, it would be super good to take longs. But doesn't matter. Basically, what I'm trying to say is just 4 hour is more important than the 1 hour. So treat the 4 hour high time frame liquidity sweeps and stuff as more valuable, more important, and they're going to make a bigger difference in your trades. Okay, so you want to find your daily bias with equilibrium. All right, you want to mark out your imbalances and your highs and your lows on the high time frame. So on the 4 hour, mark out the highs and the lows and imbalances. On the 1 hour, mark out the highs and lows and the imbalances. All right. Now, next thing you want to do, 2, scale down to the 15-minute time frame. Sit on your hands, literally, and wait. Wait for price, and wait for price upon market open to draw towards these high time draws. Let me just draw on liquidity, DOL. Draw on liquidity or fair value gaps. Fair value gaps is basically imbalances, if that doesn't make sense to you guys yet. It's an imbalance because price has to go in and rebalance that price range. So it's imbalanced. Price has to draw into it, rebalance it out. All right, yeah. So you want to scale down to the 15-minute time frame. Honestly, you could scale down to the 5-minute or just stay on the 1 hour. But I like to go on the 15-minute to kind of see like half high time frame, half low time frame, just to see if there's like low resistance or low resistance liquidity being swept. It's kind of helpful for me. But this is like a step-by-step thing you can do, all right? So first, what we have so far, all right? Go on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Mark out highs, lows, and imbalances. Let me make that more clear. Go on the 4 hour and 1 hour. Mark out highs and lows and imbalances. We can kind of just get rid of all of that. What the heck? Mark out highs and lows and imbalances. Scale down 15. This is step by step, all right? Scale down to the 15-minute time frame. Sit on your hands and wait for pawn market open and draw towards these imbalances. All right, next, right? Once price hits any of these DLs or imbalances, scale down to the 5-minute. All right, scale down to the 5-minute. That's all I gotta say. I don't have to go into more detail. All right, scale down to the 5-minute. On the 5, Alexa, off. All right. Sorry, I just have like rain sound set at like 10 p.m. because it's when I normally go to sleep, but I'm a night owl these days. All right. So on the 5-minute. All right. Wait for confirmation candles. On the 5-minute, wait to see the rejection and candles out of the or imbalance. So to be more specific, if you have a high time frame imbalance marked out and price draws into it, if you scale down the 5-minute, you'll see if there are down candles into the imbalance, a rejection and candles out of the lick sweeper imbalance would be up candles out of it. Super easy. All right. Next. Why is it not letting me? Come on. Bruh. All right. Wait for 5-minute retracement candle. Now, if you guys don't know what a 5-minute retracement candle is, right? If we just tapped into a high time frame bullish imbalance and we're now seeing rejection, bullish candles out of it, a 5-minute retracement would be, let's say for example, 3 bullish candles out of the high time frame imbalance, and then one down candle within those up candles. All right, a 1 down candle, 1. All right, that is basically a 5-minute retracement candle, because although that looks like just 1 down candle amongst those up candles, if we scale down on the 1-minute time frame, right? If we scale down on the 1-minute time frame, that 1 down candle is probably going to be, a retracement back into a 1-minute imbalance, equilibrium, breaker block, any of that stuff, order block. And that's going to give you a way better entry, all right? So you're not gambling. You get some confirmation here, all right? Because this is basically gambling, but it's all about. Okay, let's not get into that. What am I talking about? All right. So wait to see a rejection and candles out of the lick sweeper imbalance. All right, cool. So wait for the. What the heck happened here? Okay. Wait for the 5-minute. What? Did I delete something important? There we go. Yep. Okay, 5. Wait for 5-minute retracement candle. Get rid of that 4. Wait for 5-minute retracement candle. 6. Once you see the 5-minute retracement candle form in, scale down to the 1-minute time frame. Find a 1-minute break of structure to make sure. Find a 1-minute break of structure in line with your overall bias. Find 1-minute confluences. Example. For value gap, which is again an imbalance. Breaker block. Equilibrium, which is discounted range. And order block. Those are the confluences that I use, alright? Wait for confirmation out of those 1-minute confluences and enter. 9. Target 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1 hour highs / lows / draws on liquidity / imbalances for take profits. Aim for 1-to-1 for TP1. Aim for 1-to-1 for TP1. And find the rest of TPs from there. Alright, that's it, alright? So let's go through it again. You always want to start on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, alright? Screw what I said about, 4-hour inline, blah, blah, blah. That just gives you extra confirmation if 4-hour and 1-hour are in the same uptrend or downtrend. But it's fine to take shorts if we're in a long. What am I talking about? It's fine to take shorts if we are in an uptrend on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, alright? Because there's going to be confluences that play into it. Alright, so go on the 4-hour and 1-hour. Mark out your highs, lows, and imbalances. Next, scale down to the 15-minute time frame, alright? Sit on your hands literally. Wait for price upon market open to draw towards the high time frame imbalances, alright? Now you want to scale down to the 5-minute, alright? On the 5-minute, make sure price is really, really rejecting and creating candles out of that liquidity sweep or out of the imbalance. And I need you guys to understand, right? Right after high time frame confluences are hit, there's not just going to be straight 1-minute candles to the upside, straight 1-minute candles to the downside, all right? There's always going to be 1-minute candles up, and then, a little retracement, and then push back up, all right? For example, it's going to look like this. Where is my nifty drawing tool? Oh, okay, this is going to be annoying. Okay, right? If we have an imbalance right here, right? Price is gonna boop into that, boom, retrace, and then shoot up. All right. It's not just gonna be straight like that. All right. We're not just gonna go all the way up to the upside. Hope that makes sense. And although it looks like that on the 1-minute, the 5-minute, that's just going to be, if we're looking for longs, that's going to be like one down candle within 4 or 3 up candles on the 5-minute time frame. That's what we call a 5-minute retracement. So wait for that 5-minute retracement candle. Once you see that 5-minute retracement down candle forming if you're looking for longs, or 5-minute retracement up candle if you're looking for shorts, scale down to the 1-minute, all right? Now on the 1-minute, make sure you are, make sure there's a break of structure. Just in line with your bias. But honestly, that's not really that important. All right, make sure there's a break of structure. Now, after the break of structure, wait for, a little displacement, so fair value gap to form, break a block, order block, or wait for price to retrace into equilibrium on the 1-minute, right? Now, wait for confirmation candles out of that. Now, enter. Put your stops, below lows, below equilibrium, below the candle that formed the imbalance or fair value gap. That's about it. Now, you want to target 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour highs and lows, draws and liquidity, or imbalances. All right, these are these are places price will probably um, reject and fall. These are places price will probably bounce off of. So you want to set your take profits there. So for example, if you're long in, and then let's say if you're looking for longs, and then you enter, and then there's a 1 hour bearish imbalance sitting above you, make sure you're setting your take profit, your first take profit or second or whatever it is, at the imbalance, the consequent encroachment, so the middle of the imbalance and the end of it. All right, because an imbalance is fair value gaps are places where price can definitely reject off of and bounce off and go the opposite way of your bias. So hope that makes sense. All right. Now, okay, that was a long time. That was 15 minutes, but I hope you guys really understand this. Now, let's show you like one or two examples and then we'll wrap it up. I want to try to keep this below 30 minutes. No, it's a long time, but this strategy has changed my life. So, yeah. All right, guys. Just opened up. I've just opened up this new session to test out, I mean, not to test out, to show you guys the strategy. Hopefully, price isn't too crappy and we can find some good trades here. Oh my gosh, okay. It's alright, it's alright. Yeah! Hydrated. Bro, I feel like sometimes I hydrate so much and then I still have a headache. And then some of my friends, their pee is like mega yellow and they don't even drink water. And like, they don't have a headache. Like, it's so stupid. It's like I feel dehydrated for no reason. Maybe trading just takes up so much mind space. Alright, let's get into it, alright? Following the strat, I'm going to walk you guys step by step. Let's find one or two trades, one or two good ones, alright? Remember, you can lose with this strategy as well. All right, you can lose with this. You're not gonna have a 100% win rate. All right. Okay. Look, 4 hour. Okay. Who cares? Uptrend. If we are and price sweeps the lows in an uptrend, sweet. More confirmation. Really doesn't matter. It's just only where price wants to draw to upon market open. Get that in your head. All right. Get that in your head. Price sweeps the highs. Look for shorts. Price sweeps the lows. Look for longs. All right. Hopes that makes hope that's made hope that makes sense. Okay, 4 hour. All right. So we got these highs resting right here. All right. You want to mark the highs and lows on the 4 hour. We got lows right here. All right. Where is the easiest place price can draw to? All right. The easiest drawn liquidity. Well, closest is probably right here. You just got to sweep these highs. All right. Let's also scale on the 1 minute. We don't really see any imbalances. So if there's no imbalances, you don't need to mark that out. All right. What else? Okay, maybe these highs are here, but they're basically equal to these. All right. So now I'm speeding up, but let's just say you're waiting. You're waiting. You're waiting. Still waiting. Okay, shoot. Upon market open, right? We're on the 15 minute. Price sweeps out the highs. Okay, sweet. What am I looking for? Probably looking for shorts. Think this might be a news candle coming soon. But, oh yeah, again, right? We have all these lows sitting right here. This low resistance, LR, low resistance, liquidity run, low resistance, draw on liquidity. We kind of want to see those get taken out, right? Because we just took out all of these, just took out these HRLRs. So, yeah. Now we're on the 5 minute. Okay, just swap liquidity. Okay, price is ripping up. Okay, immediate down candles after taking out liquidity around 10 o'clock. Wait for that 5 minute retrace. So we got that up candle. Scale down on the 1 minute. What? All right, no trade. You got to know when to not take a trade. Why did I not take a trade there? Well, first of all, we just swept liquidity, and this is really ironic because I said after we take out high time frame liquidity, we're not going to see huge candles to the downside. Unfortunately, we got huge candles to the downside. We didn't even get a 5 minute retrace. Look, that doesn't happen all the time. It's just FX replay. Kinda gay, not gonna lie, but it's fine. All right. Again, let's play this back. All right. Okay, cool. Downtrend doesn't really matter to me. What do we see? The closest drawn liquidity, these lows right here. All right. These lows. Other closest drawn liquidity. Okay, these highs. Any imbalances? Nah, I don't really see imbalances, but we do have crossed corners right here. This is a little um, confluence that I saw from this other guy, just dude on YouTube. I don't really think that counts, but I'm not sure how good cross corners is. I haven't really back tested it. What else do we see on the 1 hour? Well, on the 1 hour, okay, boom, 1 hour, bearish imbalance. Take out these cross corners. No one cares about that. Crossed corners. All right, we also got these highs. My goodness. And these lows. All right. Easiest place for price to draw to probably this imbalance. So let's see that get filled. Okay. 9 o'clock. All right. Tapped right into it. Usually take a trade around 9:30. This is FX replay, so it's a little different. So we tapped into that bearish imbalance. Okay. Got all these low resistance drawn liquidity. Looking to take those out. Okay, we got a 5 minute retrace right here. You see it? 5 minute retracement candle. I see that it is forming. It did not close. It's forming. All right. Let's go down on the 1 minute. All right. Scaling it out on the 1 minute. We have this imbalance right here. Okay. Imbalance got invalidated. What else do we have? Okay, that's invalidated as well. What we do have from these range highs to these range lows, we could even do right here, but I'm going to do right here. We have equilibrium. Okay, it got death candles right out of it. Perfect. And we invalidated this thing. It's right before 9:30. This is around when I take a trade. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to put this right here. Then enter for some shorts. Stop slightly above these highs. First take profit, aim for a 1, 2, 1. Alright. Slightly below 1 to 1. I'm going to take it right here. TP1. Alright. TP2. Take it off these lows right there. Final. Not yet. Now we scale down on the 5 minute. Look for other draws and liquidity. Okay, you know what? Let's be more safe. We put TP2 right there. TP3. I'm not sure where that came from, but that's going to be TP3. Okay, we'll put TP3 right there. And then on the 1 hour, usually the time frame I look for runners. So maybe we want to come all the way down to there. All right, place order. Looking for sells. Now, before you take a trade, make sure you look at your trade again, just to make sure you're taking the right trade. All right, so what do we have right now? 1 hour. Cool. Just tapped into this imbalance. What am I talking about? That's 4 hour. 1 hour, right? In a downtrend on the 1 hour. 4 hour, also downtrend. So this is looking good for us. That's just extra confirmation, all right? If it was still in an uptrend on the 4 hour, I'd probably still be taking shorts. All right, we have this imbalance. Price just, where is it? Price tapped into the imbalance off of this white candle. So looking for some shorts now. Price tapped into it. Looking for some shorts out of it. 15-minute. What do we see on the 15-minute? Well, we have all these low resistance draw on liquidity, LR. Right, we want to see those get taken out. Took out all these highs right here. So a lot of confirmation. What do we see on the 5-minute? Okay, cool. This could kind of be an order block. So a lot of confirmation here, right? A lot of confirmation, all right? So what is this? Cool. A nice little 1 to 2 if this does hit. All right. Okay, there we go. Scale off 50%. Stops. Break even. Why did I do that? Boom. Easy, right? Easy trade. Probably gonna even go lower. Could have had greater potential to even hit this. What was that? Could have been what? 1 to 4. I was just trying to play it safe here because we're just showing off the strat for the video. But look at that, right? We have these high time frame lows. Price taps into the imbalance, craps the bed. All right, perfect. And I said I was gonna keep it. 30 minutes. We're getting to the end of the video right now. Uh, Getting to 30 minutes, so I think I'm gonna just stop it there. So let's just go over this one more time. All right. I'll go on the 4-hour and then 1 hour, mark out highs and lows and imbalances. Let's make this very clear. I'm going to add more, all right? Wherever oh my gosh. Why can't I spell? I forgot. Alright, it's late, guys. There we go. Wherever price draws to on the high time frame, trade in the opposite direction. All right, I need you guys to get that in your head, right? Make that super clear, right? If market opens and price takes out the highs, look for shorts. All right, you guys have to get that in your head. All right, that's basically all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, comment if you have any questions. Sorry, I'm just reading this thing again. All right, let me lock in. Comment if you guys have any questions. Join the Discord. Link is in the description. I think in my bio as well. You guys can join. I think we got a few people in right now. Our Discord is basically a traders community of super young, traders, aspiring traders. You can find a community of like-minded young individuals, kind of like myself and some other people, my friends that we all have. They're all grinding out their trading. So it'd be awesome if you guys can join. And if you have any questions, like I said, make sure to leave some comments, subscribe, so I can give you guys more sauce like this. And thank you so much for watching the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoots.